We're Drivago. I'm Priscilla, and that's Chris. And we've been a little bit busy lately. Why? Well, we're building a van. We need to get on the road.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our van build. It's another cold and wet day here in England. We're going to push on through and try and get the van sorted. Yeah, basically today I'm going to reinforce the bed frame we made yesterday and see how we're going to position our kitchen. Obviously we only get to work on it a few hours a day, and obviously we store all our wood outside the van whenever we're working in the van, so it's like constantly moving stuff in and out of the van and trying to work in between obviously bits and pieces of rain. So yeah, let's get to it. Literally just moved all the wood out and it's starting to rain, so literally the next 5 or 10 minutes I'm going to move all the wood back in. I'm still going to try and push through and see if we can finish something today. Ready? Come test out the bed, babe. How's this mattress though? It's quality.
It's a bit hot.
It's good for your back. So what do you think? Are you comfortable?
I think we need a memory foam mattress.
I think you might need a pillow.
Alright, okay, there's enough space.
Can jump on it too.
Too high.
Is it too high now? We're still going to get stuff in here.
Concerned. How am I going to jump up on
Steve's
this
is too
bed?
low. Right.
Steve's is too low.
Have a step.
Well, here.
Yeah. How big is a mattress?
Yeah, it's like that back.
Yeah. Just run and dive.
Catapult.
Shame, I forgot you got short legs.
I need like a pull-up bar, yeah.
Double purpose. It's gym and a way to get into bed. And then you can swing out of bed and just go and enjoy the day.
I think I'll be swinging out of bed. I might fall out of bed, maybe.
We've had a bit of a debate as to how high to make the bed. I haven't really come up with a magic number as of yet, but I pretty much have to make a decision because I need to cut the supports and start to fix it so we can move on to the next part of the build. Our plan is to try and put some gear in here, like, you know, mountain bikes, or possibly even a little MSX 125 for touring around the city and stuff, but the problem is the MSX is 1 meter high on the handlebars, and I think a mountain bike without the front rim is 750 or 800 we said yesterday, so yeah, I'm just trying to make that decision really.
Alright, this is 83 exactly.
Well, you could put it behind the frame. You can put it behind the frame.
Yeah, but then the door's not going to open it full.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you thought you were so smart.
Well, yeah. have to go for one of those like 57 high.
Well, 57. Oh my god, I'm gonna have no food! God, how small this thing is. Basically from here, for the rest of the evening, we measured everything, making sure that our kitchen units could fit, that we had enough space, and that everything was going to work out.
This is where we end off for today. Join us next time as we try and connect the shower. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It really helps us out. See you on the next one.